Hey guys, so I am back with another haul video. So it's been a minute since I've done a SheIn haul, but I have a couple of events to go to. You know, this SheIn is my go-to whenever I have a special event. I need a special outfit. And I've been having some things on there that have been in my cart for like months that I finally picked up. So it's a mix between special event outfits, makeup stuff. I think I have some kid stuff in there. So I haven't looked at everything yet, but I'm excited to show you. Okay, let's get started. I did open this because I bought this for my mom and me. I got a couple of these. These are just little hair pieces. And my mom has told me that her hair has been thinning for a really long time and she wanted a little hair piece. So this is kind of just like a little bun that you can pop on top of like your little ponytail. And it's got a drawstring and a clip. And I think she'll wear this to like church and when she goes out. And I think this is like perfect for her. And it was so affordable. It was like $2. So I actually got one for me too, because there are times where honestly, I'm not a hair expert. I cannot get my hair to go in a bun. And I just want to wear my hair in a bun sometimes. So like right now it's just like in a clip like that. But I want to wear my hair like on a pretty like top bun. But my hair won't do it because it's like so thick and just spikes out of the bun. Especially because my hair is like not... doesn't have like enough waviness to just kind of look like messy bun. So I got a couple of those, you'll be seeing them. This right here, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I ordered some strapless bras. Okay, so I can already see the pads like right through here, but I needed just some comfortable strapless bras that didn't cut in. I got a size large because I hate when bras cut in. And I've been, you know, more summer tops, more strapless tops. So I got a 2-pack of black and white, and they look kind of like bandeaus in it. So even if they show a little bit, it doesn't look weird. Because my strapless bras are either too small or too big. It's like they're driving me crazy. So I got some of those. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and it's like a makeup disposable case, so I can put spoolies, lip gloss wands, because I have one in my makeup case right now that all it is just like an open, completely open container. It doesn't have dividers, and it kind of, things are everywhere. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm finally glad I got that. And then I bought some blotting sheets. It's like a pack of 300 blotting sheets, again, super cheap, because I give these away to my clients as like touch-up. So let's test it out. Let's see. So it's really, truly like tissue paper. And let's see, I'm a little bit shiny, especially on the sides of my nose. So you can see the oil. Look at that. It smells a little bit like baby powder, but that's okay. Not a strong scent. But yeah, I mainly just give these as touch-up kind of things to my brides especially. So yeah, that worked out. Yeah, I think that touched up my shine. Good. Okay, so I got that. I got a bunch of like bangles because I'm going to an Indian wedding the first week of July, and they're so affordable. They're only like $2. So I got like 2 stacks of each one. So I got some gold ones because I have like some gold, and I have like a gold and hot pink magenta and a gold and purple. So they have like that gold accent. And I wanted to get like some bracelets to go with it. These ones I like because they're not like, they look kind of like normal bangles. They don't look too like ethnic, I guess to say. Like, so the reason why I like these is because I could wear these to an Indian wedding and also every day or like with any outfit. But it's giving the look of like the stacked bangles. Because I got 2 sets of these. And on Amazon they were like $15. On here they were like $2. So, yay, cute. So I got that. I don't know how long they'll last, but I like that they have kind of like the openness so they will fit almost everybody. Because I did have some bangles I had bought from India when I went on a trip there a couple years ago. But I tried them on recently and they do not fit. My wrist must have grown or my hand must have grown because they do not fit me anymore. So, let me take this off. And then I got this little purple pack, which actually looks really cheap. I don't know, I hope I can return these. Because I wanted a stack of purple ones because I have a purple outfit for this Indian wedding. But these are so thin. I don't know, let me see. So it's like a lighter purple too. Yeah, I feel like this kind of looks, maybe I'll give them to my daughter. This right here is underwear. I bought underwear. I just need some comfy mom underwear, y'all. So I bought a 5-pack of these briefs in a size large. I'm glad I got large because I didn't want them to be too small where they're like cutting in. And I wanted them to go a little bit higher than my mom pooch. So really good colors. Like kind of like warm fall tones, and they hopefully they fit. I bought a pack from SheIn, and they were a little bit too tight, so I went up to a large. I got this little pouch for my makeup kit, and I think I'm gonna put inside here like tubes of body makeup. Because it's pretty thin, and I need thin cases that will kind of just sit upright. So I bought this for my makeup kit. I bought one of these brushes for my hair because I like to scrub my scalp with this because I get dandruff and like dead skin, and I feel like this helps kind of loosen it up, and also it feels good, and it gets like a really nice like head massage. This is a piece of clothing in a size large. I find that I was getting a lot more larges because I gained a little bit of weight the last year, but large is like 8 to 10 in SheIn sizing. This is a black dress, and I got this because of course I'm a makeup artist. Look at my outfit, all black. This is like a little black romper set, and I wanted some more summer black makeup artist stuff, so this is just a short sleeve black with a drawstring. This is perfect for my makeup artist looks. I'll wear it probably with like black biker shorts underneath, and this is exactly what I wanted in a size large. This right here, it's always a surprise. I can't tell if I'm like, oh, I bought these for my kit giveaway, makeup kit, touch-up kits for my brides. I had bought some mesh bags on Amazon. They were too small. They couldn't even fit my business card. So I needed a bigger size so I could fit all the touch-up products for my brides. Like I'll put my business card, I'll put touch-up lip product in a jar, disposable lip applicator, a sponge, a mint, stuff like that. So I needed some bigger ones, so I bought like a pack of black 50. This is something else that's black. Oh, I bought this as a water bottle holder because I like to bring my water bottle with me. My Owala, I think they're called, and I wanted something that I could like, sometimes I'm just like, I don't have a free hand to hold it, and I don't always have to, I can't always put it in a backpack. So this would be great for like when I go on a walk, or if I'm going to a gig and I just need to carry my bottle across my shoulders. So I would make this nice and wide and carry it like a crossbody. Yeah, I think this is actually the perfect size. So like something like that. I thought about getting a couple for my kids, but I'm glad I didn't because their bottles are a little bit smaller and shorter than mine. So yeah, I'll definitely be using that. I'm gonna bring that with me back to Florida because I've been traveling a lot back and forth between Atlanta and Florida to visit my kids. They're in Florida with their grandparents for the summer. And I've spent like a week here, a week there, a week here, a week there in between my gigs. This is another mom dress I ordered. When I say mom dress, it's just because it's easy, it's breezy. I can just throw it on. So this is also a large. I like how it has adjustable straps, and the reason why I like this one because it has a flap, because I can go braless because I have small boobs, and it can still wear it without a bra. Drawstring, and it's like a midi length. So this is a great easy throw on dress. I would also wear this to makeup artist gigs because it's black. So yeah, that's another easy summer dress. Ooh, this dress, I ordered this because my husband not my husband, this is a different. I'm going to a cocktail reception for Sunday Riley, the skincare brand. They're having a PR event here in Atlanta. And I was trying to find something that was like a cocktail but makeup artist chic. So this is like a little black mini dress with pearl details. I have to try this on. I don't know if it's gonna fit. But isn't that cute? So it's got cutouts on the sides, but it's got like a higher neck and balloon sleeves. So it kind of makes it ladylike, but it has a little bit of sexiness. Hopefully this fits. I got this in a size large. Ooh, I bought these for my kids. So basically you slide your little toothpaste in there and it kind of helps move the product forward so like it's not like being wasted. And I thought these little animals are cute. My kids love anything that's bright with animals. All right, let me put the other one on. Yeah, this, I think these are good for, because they're not too tight. Like some clip-ons are hurt. They don't feel like that. Oh my gosh, I feel like so different with earrings on. So yeah, I bought a bunch of different gold designs. I think these are all kind of modern, which I like. This one's cool. Some hoops and some circular designs. This one is the one I wanted for the Indian wedding because I kind of feel like it goes with kind of like the dressed up bangles and stuff like that. So yeah, is it gonna stay on? All right, I'm just gonna keep these on. Let me know what you guys think about them. Here are some more bangles, the same set. I got, like I said, I got 2 sets, so I could stack them, one on each hand. These are those pink stretchy jewelries to match my pink Indian outfit. Remember I told you I got the purple and the pink. Ooh, I bought these for my shoes, y'all. So these you put on heels and you put at the foot so your toes don't slip forward. So I was like, hey, I'll try anything to make my heels more comfortable. So they have like a little pad that's adhesive that you remove and you can just stick them on your heels. I'll definitely be doing some getting ready with me videos for this Indian wedding, which I'm traveling to Canada for, so I'm so excited about that. Oh, the earring fell down. Oh, I really have to make sure that's really on there. Let me just take the other one off. Okay, I got, this is a dress I got for my husband's 30th high school reunion, like fancy banquet night. Then it's a sneaker ball. So I was gonna wear my white leathery Adidas with the 3 stripes. And I wanted to get a black kind of cocktail dress. This looks nice. I bought it in medium because the review said that it's stretchy, so you can kind of go smaller for a snug look. And it's got like the jewels at the top and the nude right here. Ooh. Okay. I might need some stick-on boobs though because I don't got a lot of boobs to hold these up. But yeah, it's kind of like that bandage material. It's like thick and stretchy. So it's like midi length. Sexy. Here's another dress I got for the event. This one's a little more scandalous for me. I've gotten more conservative in my 40 years. But it's got a little bling. So it's like a little bra cut kind of action. Like right here. With a little cutout. But I have such little boobs, so I was like, I don't feel like it's going to be too scandalous. And the thing I liked about it, it has like this like gathered center that covers the mom tummy. So we'll try that on. I thought I could either wear this to a sneaker ball or to that cocktail event for Sunday Riley. Another set of bangles. Oh, and I bought this brush cup. I've been wanting this for a while. So I love to store my dirty brushes on a gig in its own cup. So I'll have my clean cups in its brush holder, and then as I use it, I put it in this cup. So that way I can like not have them mixed up. And I like this one because it's plastic, obviously easy to clean. But I like how it can fold down really small. Let me see, how do you do this? It's got like a locking mechanism of some sort, like that. Yeah. So you twist it to close and open, I don't know. Oh, I see. There's like a little button so you can close it. Yeah, you can lock it like that or open it. But yeah, like 2 cups, and I like I said, how it goes down really small. Okay, yeah. So the other one I have is a Rocky Cazzetti vessel, and it's a little bit taller. So I was like wanting to get this. I bought this for Trey, a little outfit, and he's getting a little bigger now. I'm starting to buy him 3T because he's gonna be 3 in August. So I got him a little summer outfit. And also he'll be starting Mother's Day out, like half day preschool. So I need to get him some more like cuter sets. This is very SheIn. It's like that material that's kind of like spandexy, not like real cotton. But it doesn't matter because they grow out of it so fast, and I got the darker color purposefully because he stains his clothes so easily. The second set of bangles. So I figured I'd wear, it's a 3 days event. So I would wear one of these on one day, like on both wrists, the other 2 pairs another day. And I was gonna wear the 3rd pair, the colorful pair with each outfit too. So I got these clip-on earrings. These look nice. It's just a single pair. Let's try these on. I think these are a little bit more wearable because they're small. I think these would be cute with my hair up. because they're more delicate. And they're definitely easier to wear because they're not flopping all over the place. Cute. I like them. Everything I got was gold because, like I said, my Indian outfits for the wedding have gold embroidery and like accents on them. More hair buns. I'm not going to take all these out because they have been shedding all over the place. Ooh, this thing I got for the sneaker ball. My husband's 30th anniversary banquet is a sneaker ball. So I thought these might be cool to wear with those Adidases I was talking about. Because I don't want the laces to show, and I know there's a way you can tuck the laces underneath so they don't have them all hanging out. But this thing, it's like a shoelace thing where it has like this cuff. So at the very top, the laces come together. And then you don't see the ends hanging out. I don't know how to do this, and there's no instructions. So, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up and see how to do it. But I bought laces to try for that. And my husband's event is in 2 days, so I need to figure that out. And then the last thing I got a pair of like Adidas Samba dupes. I've been eyeing them for a while, but they're really hard to find online in my size. Oh, these are cute, right? I saw a girl on the airplane today next to me wearing these, like the real ones. So I got these like in a size 41. I'm like a 9 in sneakers. So actually these are really cute. I have to see if they fit. They look a little narrow. So that was like my other backup sneaker because I like them. They're kind of small. They have the little details. They get a little dressy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know what was your favorite dress. Like, do you feel like the strapless or the one with the like the little rhinestones right here, or the one with like the cups with the straps? This is my SheIn haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'll do some more. I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, fellas.